Now, in science, we have our theories about the way things work. We build technology, we design experiments with which to test those theories. Now, we're never going to ever prove a theory 100%. So as scientists, our strategy is to build more complex, more advanced technology, dream up bigger and better experiments with which to try and disprove our theories. And in doing so, we can improve our theories and better our understanding of the world around us. Now, in astronomy, one of the best theories that stood the test of time is the theory of the Big Bang, that our universe was created 13.8 billion years ago in a massive explosion that expanded the universe up to the cosmological scales that we see today. Now, how are we going to test out this theory? How can we look back in time to the very early universe to test out whether this Big Bang theory makes sense? Well, in order to answer this question, I want you to imagine that you're driving down the motorway at the speed limit, 70 miles an hour, and your destination is 140 miles away. How long is it going to take you to get there? Well, hopefully at some point you'll have learnt the equation that speed is the distance that you travel divided by the time that it takes you to get there. So if I want to find out the time, then I can just rearrange this equation. So the time that it takes for me to travel a certain distance with certain speed is just distance divided by speed. Okay, so this is a simple equation. The distance, our destination was 140 miles away. We're travelling at 70 miles an hour. So the time that it takes is 2 hours. I'm imagining you're now wondering what travelling down the motorway has got anything to do with the Big Bang. Well, Einstein told us that light travelled at a fixed speed. 3 times 10 to the 8, that's 3 with 8 zeros after it, metres per second. Now, I'm hoping it's a sunny day where you are at the moment, and the light that you can see from the sun has travelled a distance of 1.5 times 10 to the 11 metres. That's just the distance between the Earth and the sun. So how long ago did the light leave the sun? Well, we can use the same equation that we used from our motorway. So the time that it takes for the light to reach us from the sun is just the distance that it travels over the speed that the light moves at. And I'll let you do this sum at home. And that's about 500 seconds, which is about 8 minutes. Now, if you look at the sun, you're looking back in time because you're seeing the sun as it was 8 minutes ago. And we can use this trick of time travel to look at the very, very early universe just by looking at galaxies that are very, very, very far away. Now, I'd like you to imagine that you're in your garden and somebody's shining a torch at you and they're going to back away down the garden. Now, as they get further away, that torch is going to get dimmer and it's going to get smaller as well. You're going to see it getting smaller. Now, that's the same with galaxies in our universe. As they get farther away, they get dimmer and they get smaller. So if we want to time travel by looking at galaxies at the very, very early universe that are very, very far away, we're going to need highly accurate detector technology. And Andy's going to tell you about that in the next video.